Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Disney Pixar cars in the NASCAR series. We have Danny Swervez's NASCAR version. On the back are some other cars, I think the ones that I showed you last time, like Eric Almirola, Danny Swervez, well, what's up is him, Karsten Ace Dillon, and the NASCAR version of Lightning McQueen. Let's get Danny Swervez out of the box. So here we got his pit road sign, which is Octane Gain, with the number 99. Here's Danny Swervez. Now, Danny Swervez was played by NASCAR driver Daniel Suarez, and in the Cars 3 movie, which we have right here, his number was 19 because at the time he was with Joe Gibbs Racing, and now Daniel Suarez is with Trackhouse Racing. His number is now 99. So these two have a different design. So this one is more of a gold and blue color, and Danny Swervez is now more of a light orange with a purplish kind of color. The wheel rims are now different. You know, his are silver, which back then they were gray. Also, the side paint job is different, and also it has Octane Gain. The Octane Gain stayed the same. Excuse me. Although this one you can see is a lot more brighter than this. One on the sides, instead of OG, it has, Octane Gain, and the side has Octane Gain and OG backwards. On this one, it just says OG, which stands for Octane Gain, with an orange patch on one half of the roof instead of whole blue. And on the back, there are no rookie stripes because he's no longer a rookie. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.